welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for winning over the UE Lady Warriors in straight sets. The Fighting Maroons are now at 5-5. We have Coach Benson Bokbok, Ira Aboneta, and Cassie Deering. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Unlike the first round, 5-setter, this one, it's a straight set. So, and by the way, this is the UP's first straight set win in 6 years. So ano masasabi mo sa...
6 years.
Oh, yes, 6 years. So ano masasabi mo na, yun nga, ito, yung pinakita nilang effort, nadala nila yung panalo nyo sa inyo. What can you say?
Yeah, medyo medyo magulo. Medyo magulo yung galaw ng team ngayon. So, maraming error yung kalaban. Kaya nagkataon, we got the game. Pero sa amin, kulang. So, siguro, medyo shaky pa nung umpisa. Pero darating yung time kasi second round na, hindi na pwedeng ganun na shaky. So, maraming inconsistency sa pasa, sa free ball, sa setting, so sa lahat. So, hopefully, next game, mas ma-organize pa namin yung ginagawa namin. So, panalo is panalo, but the opponent error is, so how many? So, ang dami, di ba? So, hindi lang kami kasi yung kalaban mismo ang tumulong para magbigay sa amin ng panalo.
Thank you. To Cass, you have 6 of 13 attacks, 1 block, 1 service ace, and 2 digs. So, this is a very important victory for you, especially your team is still in the Final Four hunt. So, what can you say about your contribution so far this season as UP is trying to get back to the Final Four? What can you say?
I think for me, again, just trying to be at my best as much as I can and trying to do my best for my team. You know, these stats don't happen just on one's own. You know, it comes from the past, comes from the set, comes from everyone. So, for me, it's just being at my best and staying disciplined in everything that I do.
Thank you. To Ira, you had 13 attacks, 9 digs, and 8 excellent receptions. So, yun nga, kasi mabigat yung panalo yung last time. May tendency minsan na, yun nga, baka maging complacent. So, anong ginawa nyo para, syempre, yun nga, makuha nyo yung panalo nyo na straight sets at kahit marami kayong errors today?
Ayun nga po, sabi ni Coach, shaky yung start namin. Even kahit nung patapos na medyo hindi, may mga galaw pa na hindi naman dapat kailangan. So, siguro ginawa lang namin kung ano yung dapat binabawi yung mga pagkakamali at tinatama din yun. And ayun nga po, coming from a win, syempre hindi pwedeng mag-relax kasi second round na to, mas challenging every game, hindi nagiging madali lagi. So talagang tinatrabaho lang and nilalaro lang namin kung ano yung dapat. Teamwork lang po. Tsaka disiplina din namin.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, win against NU nung last time, then ngayon convincing win against UE. Can you say po na, kumbaga nag-peak na po ba yung just in the right time yung players nyo?
Dahil sa panalo, so masasabi ko hindi pa kasi up and down every game up and down. So ito yung nagkataon, may off din yung NU noon, tapos nakuha namin as advantage. Kaya nakuha yung panalo. Pero kahit kaninong side pwede mangyari. Pwede mangyari rin sa amin. Katulad ng Ateneo na nangyari sa amin. Sa amin naman yung downside. Nakuha naman nila yung straight na points. Nakuha nila yung panalo. So hindi siya sign kung nasa peak na yung team. Pero sa akin marami pang kailangan ayusin with the short time going to finish the second round.
Ira, bukod sa NU na number 1 ngayon, yung number 2 to number 6 talagang talo-talo sa standings, tapos kayo nasa gitna talaga kayo, lumalaban talaga kayo for that Final Four spot. Siguro for you personally, gaano lang ka-fulfilling na although marami pang games na ilalaro this elimination round, half a game behind the UST na lang kayo, dikit talaga kayo dun sa Final Four race?
Siyempre po masaya. Fulfilling siya kasi ayun po, nagbubunga yung pinagtatrabahuan namin. Pero yun yung sabi ko, hindi pa talaga po nagtatapos doon. every game challenging talaga. So, dagdag pa. Kaya hindi tatama yung mga mali. Ganun lang po lagi, every game. Yun.
Cass, can you talk about your mindset going into this game? Last game, Nina, she had 30 points as a middle, and I guess for you, playing in that same team, siguro, what was the mindset to also step up for the team in your role?
I know that's something that we've discussed before. Again, those stats don't happen on one's own. You know, we all worked extremely hard to set her up for success in that part. And then for me, the mindset is just, like I've said before, always coming in and having no excuses, always doing my absolute best, the best that I can do in that moment, and remaining disciplined in our system, whether it's in defense or in offense. And that was the mindset for today as well.
Coach, you said up and down yung laro. So what do you think is still missing from the team at this point? Ano yung kailangan i-work on nyo talaga, especially the last 4 games of elimination para to get over that hump and get into the Final Four?
I think sa laro ng volleyball, basic lang naman. Yung pasa, yung setting. So, yun lang. Doon lang makikita natin. Maraming teams, kahit na marami silang panalo, sometimes may inconsistency sa area na yun. So, sa amin, ganun din eh. Siyempre, kailangan natin yung mga basic na skills na yon para makakuha ng puntos. Kung hindi namin ma-master yun, aasa kami sa mali ng kalaban. Mahirap.
Coach, at yun nga, next game nyo, FEU, and yun nga, as said earlier, ano yung 2-6, yung sa Final Four, mabigat pa yung laban. So, ano yung masasabi mo na, yun nga, nagkamomento na kayo from back-to-back wins, what can you say?
Yeah, of course, yung FEU nag-adjust din. Nakita natin, nag-iiba yung galaw nila ngayon. So, we'll see how they will play against NU the next game. Baka makakuha tayo ng information doon, makatulong sa atin. So, ayun, tapos maganda uli kami. Pabalik.
On that note, congratulations, Coach Bok, Ira, and Cass. Thank you.
Thank you.